Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the alternative minimum tax, or the AMT for short. So I know these terms may sound complicated, but you know what? Once we just break it down, you will see how it works and how you can actually save your money in the future. Okay? So basically, what is AMT? Right? The full name, as I said, is the alternative minimum tax. So basically, there are a so-called regular, the normal tax system, as well as the separate tax system in US. And that AMT system is the separate tax system created by Congress. Because you know what? Because Congress say, oh, a lot of people got a really high income, right? And those people who got a really high income will use a lot of methods to get a lot of deductions. So we are going to add another tax system. Say, hey, you can do all sort of a deduction you like, but you know what? You're still going to pay a fair minimum amount of tax. So basically, it's to ensure that this whole system is fair. It's not like tilted towards the rich, right? I know, because the rich people can hire some professionals and they can use the system, got tons of deductions. You know what? There is another system, check and balance here. Okay, so basically, when you file your taxes, you actually, you actually calculate. Unfortunately, that's the happy. That's the happy but also a complicated side of being rich, because a lot of rich people actually hire people to do that. So yeah, that's completely another story. But let's go back. So basically, when rich people, if they file to tax themselves, they actually need to calculate their tax twice. Okay, so basically, one under the regular tax system, right? They need to calculate once, and then another time they have to calculate under the alternative minimum tax system, so AMT system. So basically, if the AMT's number is higher, right, the rich people will pay that. If you're fortunate enough to be in that threshold, unfortunately, you are going to pay the alternative minimum tax. So basically, it's like a backup system to prevent people to avoid tax completely by using tons of deductions and all sort of tricks. Okay, so you know what? That's the AMT. Really, really simple.